Today you find me in the heartland of the fens. Hilgy Fen, to be precise.
Basically means one person will have a radio. We have back guns on most of the drives, and we also obviously got picker-uppers, so please no low shooting.
Hello, I'm Tony from Fenland Productions. I've been game shooting for nearly half a century, and there has been a change in the way the general public perceives field sports. A large number of the shooting fraternity believe wildfowling, game shooting and other field sports will be banned within the next 50 years. This is why I've been capturing the events of a shoot day and creating short videos so there will be a lasting record for the future. So here we are on the first drive. As you can see, it's a lovely bright frosty morning. It's not too conducive for the good day game shooting, but the birds are starting to flush out. Always getting a lot of shooting. As you can see, the birds rushing through. Not particularly high, but it's quite hard for the guns because they're looking straight into the sun. Get a partridge there, and looks like my young dog wants to go and pick it up. Nice shot there, Rory. Keeping his father busy loading for him. Look at the birds coming out here now to the right. There was a lot of shot on that right hand side of the drive. Let me beat you to it, Rory. See how bad the sun is, you're looking straight at the sun. That was a long shot if you notice. Drops over the other side there. And the birds still keep coming. Birds, I don't know what to shoot at. So we always end up one or two runners in the drain, so luckily we've got plenty of dogs to find them. So loading up and they're heading off for the next drive. Jim's setting all the guns out, the game plan.
Just the other side of the track.
Dave's looking very relaxed with his gun on his shoulder before the start of the drive. Early bird comes through. I think Alan knocks that down. See, my dog goes and picks it up. I really need to put a lead on her. She's had a lot of picking up this season, so it's a free for all, I'm afraid. Don't know whether Alan shot that hen bird or not, or cockbird. There's a cockbird, I think. This is a nice high bird. Go on, Dave. Well, you're looking very stylish there, and down it comes. Well done. There goes my dog again. I really do need to put a lead on that little bugger. We rattled that one, Andy. That's more. Go on, Poppy. Oh, well done. Well, you've hit it, but it's still under power. There goes my dog again. I wish I'd taken the lead with me.
We've got a bit of pheasant coursing.
A little bit of pheasant coursing as well. At least she's bringing it back. I think Dave perhaps shot that cockbird, he's gone to pick it up. Anyway, into 11s. We always have lovely 11s on the shoot. We take it in turns of providing the drink and the food. Mince pies as it's near Christmas, sausage rolls, good health lads. And yes, it's always a very sociable thing. And I don't know if any of you eagle-eyed people have noticed that we've got 3 ladies shooting today. We've got Lindsay, who's a full gun, Michelle, who's a full gun in the shoot, and Poppy shooting today.
Normally a spoon, isn't it? That's what they say, put a spoon in the top.
Are you taking them home, is he? We'll have those at lunchtime. It's just a gunshot from Dave all the way down. Him? Yes. Your back gun. Bloody hard work with no wind in it. No wind and sunny.
Some of the birds are breaking out this cover very early.
Come here.
Well done, Poppy. Bit of a flush going on now. One down.
Come here.
There's another one.
Don't like to, do they?
It's getting quite high, that cockbird. It's having a few shots at it, but it's still going. I think I'll survive that one. And the bird's doubling back. I think our bird's still going, Poppy. Left this one a bit too late. That's a bit low, Andy. Another flush going on. Oh, it's a nice high bird there.
Stop there, Ben. Stop there, Ben. Hey!
Oh, no shooting. It's getting on with it, that bird. Oh, no shot, Les. Must be a headshot as well. Right, that's gone straight up. I don't know who shot that, Dave or Andy, but it's dropped between them. Virtually the same again. I do like this dog. It's a cross with a Labrador and a Cocker, and I think it's a very cool little dog. Very switched on as well.
Some of them will break over the trees.
Possibly a change of game plan here. Dave's advising Jim on what we should be doing. I think we need another bloke in the next county. Well, the sun's been out, but it hasn't thawed the frost away as yet, so it's still very cold. Lindsay checked the barrels. Good gun craft. You'll see that she hasn't got the most conventional of retrievers or gun dogs there, but it does the job. So if it does the job, what's the problem? Have you really got time to check your phone? Take a photograph? I think you perhaps have. Right, that's still going Poppy, and Rory just knocked that down for you. Bit of a flush gun, that's a high bird there. I don't know who's knocked that down, but that's a lovely cracking shot that was. That one's got away, I think. Come on, Poppy. That's got away. No shot there, Rory. Right, that's still going, Lindsay. Sometimes it's hard to judge how fast these birds are going. They don't look they're going very fast, but I think they're going a lot quicker than you possibly imagine. No shot, Dave. There's another one facing you if you'd look round. I think you hit that one, Poppy. No shot, Poppy. No shot. Rory's knocking them down now. He's got his eye in for the day. Another one in the back for Rory. No shot, Lindsay. You retrieve. Oh, your retriever's gone. He's better steady as my dog, I'm afraid. Oh, he's brought it back. It doesn't look like a retriever, but obviously it perhaps is a retriever. A bit of coaxing. Well done, he's brought it back for you. What more do you need from a dog? And the last birds get out the cover. Is that going to get away? Not climbing too high, but I think that perhaps got away. Lindsay's trying to encourage you to get higher, but I think Rory just knocked it down. George has got a handful of birds out.
Love cutting birds.
I do quite like it actually, yeah I do.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, that's right.
So
We take it in turns for providing cakes and that for lunch as well, and Poppy, it was her turn to actually produce some cakes and treats for us, so she's feeding, going along, passing the cakes along with the beaters and the guns. Let's compliment her. I forget what it was now, but it was a very nice cake. Off again in the afternoon. It has not got any warmer, as you can see. There's still the frost and snow still laying around.
This way, yeah. Yeah, forget the numbers, because we've all moved round and some of them gone now there, so. So you'll be 6.
Generally a pretty good
5.
drive this, but we do always seem to be stretched because if we move the guns round one end, further round one way, they'll come out another. But there's a good flush going out the cover already. This is early on in the drive. Never seems to be a shortage of birds on this shoot. They do get a good head of steam up some of them. The beater's working hard. Still going, Rory, I think. Come on, Dad, get them shells in. Quick, 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 quick. Oh, well done, Rory. Knock that down. Let's just hit that rather hard. Beat and stop, we've got a bit of a flush coming on. Come on, John. I think you hit that, John. We've got a flush going again. You all got through the guns. Cockbird.
Hey!
They're all going all directions now. There's nice few birds coming out again. I think Rachel had a shot there, but I think she missed. Still going, Rory. High bird going over the trees for a start. See how urgent this one gets. Oh, it's been hit, yeah. Down it's come, down it comes.
Hey, 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 hey!
Lovely high bird again. No shot for somewhere. I think I was Les there actually. Oh, we've got a big flush starting now. Coming out all directions. Birds coming out now. Well, you can see, yeah, there is a lot. This is the end of the drive. Lovely show. The beaters have done very well there, getting all of them out there, because some of that cover is cover, and some of that cover is very thick. I think some of the guns have had a nice bit of shooting now. It's time to go and pick up our birds what have been dropped in this rate.